receivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
And here we are in match number 50 of what will be a total of 68 qualifying matches here in Gwinnett County. The score is 16-13 right now in autonomous as we have 2 seconds left to go, as what you saw was what was programmed to be done by the human players. And now those same human players take control of the bots, controlling the action under the sea as they try to rebuild the reef. That's that purple-looking structure in the middle. Those blue-green spherical objects that you see out there, that's called algae, and they can take that algae and process it for points as well. Trying to bring the sea life back to the environment, rebuilding the coral reef as the blue and the red bots pick up coral from the coral station on the side, as 6887 is doing right now. 9770, the Robo Knights in the same position on the opposite side, picking up coral, sliding down the chute from atop the ocean waves down to the bot on the bottom of the sea. As the Avenger Robotics moves around the reef, they've got coral in their possession. They're going to place it on the middle row, worth 4 points right now, as it's 50-45 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now with 1:14 left to go. Now the Blue Alliance scores some more as it's 55-45 with 1:10. There goes 6887. That's the Dalton Catabots dropping a piece of coral into the trough as 4189. The Jefferson Robotics team places one high atop the reef for 5 as it's now 67-49 in favor of the Blue Alliance with 54 seconds left to go. The Avenger Robotics team 74-51 scoring on the cable, on the coral as well, as we continue action for the next 45 seconds. 6887 on the Blue Alliance dancing around. There's Team Bean trying to drop one on the coral reef, but it falls all the way down to the ocean floor. It's 75-57 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now, as 74-51 heads towards the barge zone, looking like they're going to try to climb up from the deep on the cage. As 4189 is at the reef. They've got coral in their possession, as the sonar sounds telling the robots and the pilots that there's 20 seconds left in the match. They can try to come up off of the ocean floor, as 74-51 is doing right now. They can maintain that position at the end of the match and not have any part of their bot touching the ocean floor. They can be awarded 12 points. And it looks like 9770 was able to also park in the barge zone. If that's successful, then the Red Alliance will gain the valuable ranking point for the barge activity. Once again, we'll wait for the fish to swim on the reef to tell us who was victorious, and then we can tell you the score and how many ranking points was achieved by each alliance.
All right, we have a score from that last match. Let's take a look. It is the Blue Alliance fish swimming on the reef, indicating that the Blue Alliance was victorious in that last match with a score of 103-71. And they received 3 ranking points for the victory, 1 for coral on all the levels, and 1 for moving their bots in autonomous and scoring coral. The Red Alliance also received an autonomous ranking point as well as the barge ranking points. Those ranking points can be valuable as we come to the end of competition this morning.